Three major universities of KP located in the greater campus in Peshawar have not paid retirement benefits amounting to 1.6 billion to their retired employees for past several years owing to financial crisis, according to sources, full stop. The greater campus comprises University of Peshawar, University of Agriculture, full stop. Sources told that University of Peshawar, the largest and oldest university of the province, had to pay 1 billion to its retired employees, full stop. Similarly, University of Agriculture has to pay 500 million to its former employees, while UET owes 61 million to its retired workers, full stop. A senior officials at the agricultural university told Dawn that since those are Bs, they had not paid retirement benefits to employees owing to financial crisis, full stop. The benefits, which have not paid to the employees, including LPR encashment and commutation, full stop. He said that owing to financial crisis, many of the retiring employees were opting for monthly salary in pension instead of commutation, full stop. As per rules, if employees do not opt for commutation and other benefits on their retirement, then the government pays them almost the whole salary with minor deduction of a few allowances till their death, full stop. Since the retired employees get full salary as a pension, due to which the pension budget of the universities is increasing with each passing year, full stop. Paragraph. The official said that cash starved agriculture university was unable to release salaries for the month of May to its employees timely, rather issued the same on June 14 when provincial government extended financial support to it, full stop. Similarly, he said both universities had no funds to pay salaries to their employees for the month of June, full stop. Paragraph. The universities of the greater campuses are facing a severe financial crunch shortfall affecting timely payment of salaries and pensions, says an official document shared by the universities with the provincial government, full stop. According to the documents, the major reason for the budgetary shortfall is decrease in the federal government grants, which it pays to universities through HEC, full stop. The documents state that annual grant given by the federal government used to increase by about an average of 10% every year, full stop. However, it has steadily declined in the previous years despite rising operational costs like salaries and pensions. Full stop. Whether it is an economist, comma, a politician, or a banker running the financial affairs of the government, comma, the budget remains the same, taxing the already taxed and protecting the holy cows, full stop. The latest budget proposals are no different on this count, full stop. While there were tall claims about expanding the tax net to enhance the tax base, comma, the heavily taxed segments, comma, primarily the salaried class, have yet once again been slapped with a huge burden of additional direct taxes and indirect taxes, full stop. Ironically, comma, the powerful agriculturists and the retailers have yet once again been spared of sharing the tax burden even in these difficult times, full stop. The government itself has not committed to any measures on its part, full stop. We are going to take this action, comma, and committed to any measures on its part of curtail the expenditure, comma, to plug the revenue shortfall even in the unprecedented economic situation that we have been seeing for the last many years now, full stop. While the government employees, comma, many of them corrupt and inefficient, comma, have been rewarded with a 22 to 25% salary increase, comma, private sector employees have been left to fend for themselves in the face of a serious erosion of their purchasing power through additional taxes, full stop. Besides bringing the untaxed segments into the net, comma, the government should have also announced difficult decisions for itself and its many ministries, full stop, that would have demonstrated some level of sincerity towards reviving the country's economy, full stop. Not a single such measure has been taken, full stop. That, comma, for sure, comma, is the hardest part to put up with, full stop. The government should have imposed a ban on the purchase of official government vehicles until the improvement of the economic situation, full stop. No parliamentarian or government official should have been allowed more than one official car at a time, full stop. All expensive imported luxury vehicles and protocol vehicles in the use of government officials should have been withdrawn, full stop. Moreover, lavish expenditure on fuel in official government vehicles should have been rationalized, full stop. Economy